Morning, y'all. Welcome back to Messing with Mopars. Darren here. Just a little update on what's going on. I've got the fuel pump mounted, the filter mounted, the post filter, and then up in here, that's the 1/2-inch pickup, and then we're going to put the other filter right up in there. So we're going to come out of there and over into the filter and follow along the top and back down to the inlet. So there we go. And then we're going to use the stock. We're going to follow the frame rail connector along, and then we'll use the stock 1/2-inch hole up there, 3/4-inch hole, whatever that is, and run through that. So then I'm going to go over here and got a couple things. Excuse me. A couple things here. So let's get guys in the holder. There we go. Get you in Too Tall Jones. So did a little shopping on Amazon. Got some clamps. Nothing wrong with having clamps. And then we got these. And these are being opened up for the first time. I don't know why I started sneezing all of a sudden, but whatever. Anyhow, so these are just jaw protectors for when you're doing upside down and fittings. So there. I'll bring one over. We should have a paper towel in here, maybe. Holy Hannah. There we go. So then that's just going to go in like that. Like that. And then that holds that nice and secure. And then you put your thread this onto the hose. Actually, I got that backwards, don't I? You're supposed to tighten this into here. Fit this onto your hose. Clamp her tight. Well, not tight, snug. Guess you could help if you guys could see. And then we'll just tighten that in like that. So there we go. Keep that bag handy. And then what do we got here? What's going on here? Keep bags away from babies. A lot of years that's been said. Oh, Christmas. It's a big bag. I think we're chopping her up into little itty bitty pieces. There we go. So we got some tubing cutters here. Keep that plastic bag so we can keep it over the end. It's supposed to work like a hot dam. Well, there we go. Well, we'll give them a shot. We need to get some lube, some other stuff. I've got Derek on right now. Mr. Vice Grip Garage. All right, so give me 2 minutes here. I'll grab a couple of things. It's a weird reflection. Huh, whatever. All right, give me 2 seconds. Okay, we got some 1/2-inch fuel line. Just grabbed a bit of lube. And now let's try those schnippers out. They're vibrant. Not bad at all. Look at that. Nice and clean. I'll just get a pair of scissors. Probably if I would have had that in the vise, wouldn't have been a problem. But there we go. Okay. Take this out. Oh, I forgot to grab the crescent wrench. I'll give that a little bit of a Zeus. And then these are left-hand threads, so turn them backwards. I guess that'll hold that too. Okay. We'll see, won't we? It's not going in. It's not going in. Why? There we go. Well, got her. There we go. Okay. Now we'll take this, that in there like that. Give him a little cinch. Walk across the shop and grab our and fitting wrench. And we'll a little bit of stuff on there. Yeah. Wow, this is phenomenal. Nope, that didn't work. There we go. There we go. Now it's going to work. Okay. Come on. There we go. That's better. I should probably lift that other fitting up a little bit so we can have a little room for the bottom of the wrench. There we go. All right. There you have it. Looks like we're missing an O-ring in there. And then I sprayed lube all over the table, all over the bench, but whatever. Grab another one. Clean this up a little bit. There we go. There you have it. So now, what we want to do, go over to the car. This. Come with me. Okay. All right. Spin. There we go. I don't know. It's just shorter for some reason or something. Or I'm just. Okay. So we'll take this fitting off of this side. We don't need it on there right now. Oh, I put the wrong fitting on here, didn't I? No, maybe I did not. There we go. And then we'll just put that like that, and then we need to mark it right here. So we'll get a little colored marker. And we will just simply mark it right here like this. There we go. Like that. Okay. All right. Put that back up there. Come on. All right. Okay. So there you have it. So what we'll do is I will cut this, install the other one, and then we'll install it. Well, we got to clean it out first because we don't want any shrapnel in there, right? But we'll clean it out, put it on, and then we will do another one. And I'll run the fuel line from the front of the post filter out to the engine bay. We'll deal with that, and then we'll just kind of stick it up, hang it up there, and leave it as is. Pardon me. And then what we'll do is I'll mount the pre-filter and get that the rubber line that goes from the pickup to the inlet side of the pre-filter. All right. Okay. Thanks for coming along for the ride. I will get back to you as soon as we've got this one in and we're setting the pre-filter. All right. Oh, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Appreciate all the comments. I see that we're slowly growing a little at a time. So let's keep her up. And it looks like I got to wash my camera because there's some lines coming down the thing here. So I'll do that next. Thanks a lot.